Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. List comprehensions are a concise and powerful way to create lists in Python. They allow you to generate lists by applying an expression to each item in an iterable. While list comprehensions are known for their brevity, it's essential to format them correctly to ensure readability. Properly indenting your list comprehensions is a crucial aspect of writing clean and maintainable Python code. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to indent Python list comprehensions correctly with code examples. Before we delve into indenting list comprehensions, let's review the basic syntax. To maintain readability, it's essential to follow Python's recommended indentation style. PEP8, the Python enhancement proposal for code style, suggests using 4 spaces for each level of indentation. When writing list comprehensions, adhere to this guideline. Here's an example. In this example, the list comprehension is indented with 4 spaces, aligning with the standard indentation style. List comprehensions can also be nested within one another to create more complex structures. When nesting list comprehensions, each level of indentation should use an additional 4 spaces. Here's an example. In this example, there are 2 levels of list comprehensions, one for each row and another for each element within the row. Each level is indented consistently with 4 spaces. List comprehensions can include conditional statements to filter elements from the source iterable. When using conditionals, maintain proper indentation for readability. Here's an example. In this example, the conditional list comprehension is correctly indented with 4 spaces. The condition, x%2 = 0, is applied to each element in the iterable numbers. Properly indenting list comprehensions is crucial for writing clean and readable Python code. Following Python's recommended style guide, PEP8, ensures that your code remains consistent and easy to understand. Remember to use 4 spaces for each level of indentation, whether it's a basic list comprehension, a nested comprehension, or one with conditional statements. By adhering to these indentation guidelines, you'll improve the readability of your Python code, making it easier for both you and others to understand and maintain. ChatGPT.